Ikaw na magbukas, ma'am.
Ikaw hindi ko mabukas.
Kaya mo yan, magpagtulungan natin, ma'am.
Sige, ikaw na, ma'am.
Ikaw na, ma'am.
Ikaw lang. Kaya mo yan. Hindi ko kaya, ma'am. Nahila na ako eh. Ay! Talaga!
Yan po, ma'am.
Maraming salamat anak ko. Sino kaya no?
Surprise! Ma'am, una sa lahat, ma'am, ulitin ko po, ma'am, wala po kayong babayaran ni
Oo nga.
Tito.
Alam ko, surprise.
Lahat po yan, ma'am, bigay po ng iyong mahal na anak.
Thank you.
Ma'am, dito po tayo, ma'am. Yan po. Ma'am, ano po kasi ngayon, ma'am?
Ay, parang ko.
Yes, hindi, pang-ilan po.
I'm already 80 years old.
80 ka na, ma'am?
Opo.
Wow, talaga, hindi na tama. Para pa po kayong 50.
I'm not stressed.
Yes. Yung pa po ba yung sikreto, ma'am? Ma'am, dahil birthday niyo po ngayon, ma'am, okay lang ba mag-coronahan kita, ma'am? Ikaw muna ang aming Miss Universe of the day.
Thank you.
Yan. Dahil may corona ka, ma'am, meron din po kayong SAS, siyempre. Yan, happy birthday po, ma'am. Ma'am, okay lang, ma'am, magpakilala lang po muna kami, ma'am. Kami po pala, ma'am, sa My Car Surprise by Kim Tampugaw. At meron pong special someone sa buhay nyo ang kumontak sa amin today para ibigay ang kanyang surprise gift para sa iyo. Ma'am, may idea ka kung sino or kanino?
Mga anak ko.
Sino kaya?
Yung nurse.
Malalaman natin yan, ma'am, kung kanino galing. Yan, ma'am, may nakalagay sa message card natin, ma'am, message board natin. Happy 18th birthday, wishing you a day. Yan po, ma'am. Ma'am, meron po kayong pinapaabot na fresh flower bouquet ang ating sender. Dahil danagan po daw kayo, ma'am. Ibu niyo po ngayon, ma'am. At saka po, ma'am, meron po tayong anhel balloon na 80, at saka, ma'am, meron po tayong cake. Hindi po mawawala yung cake. Okay lang ba, ma'am, kung kakantahan ka namin ng happy birthday?
Okay po.
Yes. Ma'am, sino po pwede umawak? Dito ka naman.
Ito na yung napapanood ko eh.
Ngayon po, ikaw na po yung papanoorin, ma'am.
Lagi akong nanonood ng ganito. Ako na palang nasa-surprise.
Wala nang surprise eh, alam mo.
Ito pala yung sinasabing surprise.
Yan. Kantaan natin mo si Mami na happy birthday. Okay, ready? One. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sa pa po, mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Yan po, mami. Bago nyo po i-blow cake candle nyo, mami, ano po yung birthday wish ko po, mami? Ito pa, mami.
Birthday wish po.
Good health always. And I wish to go to New Zealand by September.
Ma'am, malakas po yung hangin, ma'am. Hindi na po yung cake candle, ma'am. Yan. Yan po. Ano niyo si mami?
Apo ko.
Apo. Dahil apo ka niya, ikaw ang unang-unang babati para sa iyong lola.
Thank you, Apo. I'm so happy.
Sir, kayo naman po, ano po yung birthday wish niyo po para sa inyong?
Binyes, binyes.
Ma'am, happy birthday. Good health. Yan.
happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health always, happiness, and may your wish come true. I love you so much, Ma.
I'm very blessed today.
Ma, happy birthday. Nasabi na nila lahat ng maganda. Wish you the best, good health, and may God bless you always.
Always, thank you, Lord, for all my siblings. They are all very, very good. And
Happy birthday, Mama. Good health always. I love you so much.
I will love you too.
Bate.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you sa lahat, and I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Thank you, mga apo.
Ito naman.
Love you.
Apo rin po to.
My bunsong apo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Wish you.
Stay happy and healthy.
Good health, Ma'am. More
Continue.
birthdays to come.
I love you all. And I wish you all good luck.
Yan. Lahat na po, Mami, sila nakapagbati. Mami, ano po yung masasabi niyo sa kanilang lahat na nag-effort?
Yan nga po.
Ito po, Mami.
I'm very successful and blessed today because they are all my professional children and apo. I'm very happy. Salamat sa nagpadala sa akin. Ang aking anak, siguro yung nurse ito. Thank you so much.
Pangalan, Mami.
Si Dina Malamog. Dina Bautista Malamog.
Okay po.
Mami, siyempre Mami, si Ma'am, yung nagpadala Ma'am, meron din po siyang mensahe. Okay lang ba? Babasahin ko, Mami. Sige po, babasahin ko, Ma'am. Yan. May background music po siya, Mami. Song for Mama. Happiest 80th birthday to the loving, caring, and most stronger mother in the world. Who nurtured and shaped me of who I am today. Mama Sally, I am so lucky to have you as my mama. Thank you for my life, the gift of my education, and for all success in my life. I may be 1,000 miles away from you, but you always have a special place in my heart and my mind. How I wish I can celebrate your next birthday beside you. I always miss you and love you every day. Stay young, healthy and beautiful inside, in or out. Take care of yourself in my God bless you always with my heart. I'm so happy that your visit visa here was approved already yesterday. Yan daw, Mami. Yung visa nito po approved na po daw. I hope to see you later by September in New Zealand. Mama Sally, we love you always and we miss you. You deserve all the best thing in my life, and I hope I surprise you with this simple but very memorable celebration. May you have a wonderful birthday celebration today with my lovely sibling and their families. From your loving and sweet daughter, who always admire you. Love, Dina and family. With love from New Zealand. Yan po, Mami. Si Ma'am Dina po, nag-message niya. Ma'am, Mami, ano po masasabi niyo po?
Oh, anak ko, I'm very blessed today because you surprised me
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ang paghihirap ko pala ay nasuklian ng ganitong masayang kabuhayan. Anak ko, stay safe. Alam kong mapagmahal ka sa akin at mapagmahal din ako sa inyo. Anak ko, I'm very blessed because you are always remembering me